Guys, this video is going to be short, but I have to share with you a new thing at Not Just for Boys Kit Club. This is a handy dandy page kit that comes with instructions and lots of supplies for one page kit. Like, I can see stretching some of these goodies to more. Now, this is, okay, it's just super cool. Let me show you what comes in it. And I'm not great with knowing everything. I think it's going to be like $15 a month, but this is going to be like a Black Friday kit for like $5. You still have to pay shipping, but go in the store. You're going to find everything you want to buy. All right, so let me show you. We get this exclusive woodcut, and it's in this really nice rich brown that reads family. And here's the other cool thing with the packaging at Not Just for Boys Kit Club. There's like things you can fussy cut and use. And if you're not into this, like wood grain for some reason, there's grid. There's grid. Yes, super awesome. So first thing is that. The next thing is we get a cut file that reads together. And you also get this piece of gray cardstock that comes with it. And I like to call this plastic packaging, like good stuff for mixed media stuff. You get to mix on it and then you get to just recycle it. All right, let me show you. There's cardstock in this kit. So this is to do one page kit. And it's super cool. So we have basil. This is textured and it's in the... Bleh. I'm a little overexcited. This is the color called Aqua. And then we have two in the color called Cream Puff. So that's awesome. Next, we have Vicki Booten Storyteller in Assemblage. Now, guys, it's charcoal black. There's like scufferator writing stuff on the sides. And then all kinds of different things that makes me want to punch them out. And I wonder, it looks like a 1-inch circle. I have a 1-inch punch. Very interesting. If you had a 1 1/4, you could get the black ring around it. I need to keep moving on. The back side, ooh, it looks like fabric. And it's, you know, it's mucked up a little bit, which is very Vicki Booten, but it's this really nice, deep, like magenta plum-ishness. Very cool. You know what? You're not really seeing that there are 3 papers as much there. Now you are. All right, the next paper we have. So there's 2 papers, 2 pattern papers with this kit, and we have 3 of the cardstock. Now this one is called Echo Park. It's from the Getaway collection. It's called Travel Script. So this looks like wallpaper to me. It's navy blue and it's not white. And there's also a texture, like a fabric-y texture that's behind some of it. Kind of cool. See how that's bright white and that's not. And the other side is very scripty and it's like a dark gray on like almost a parchment color. So that's super cool. And then finally, we get the entire 12 by 12 Getaway element sticker sheet. Now, there's no way you would use all of this on one layout. That's what's kind of cool about this. So let's see. We have a nice title in the word travel, banners, which I do love me some banners, 2 different borders, and look at the globes. They go, like it's highlighting different countries, so that's super cool. Now, we do have some pieces on here. I always like to check out in these themed things. If there's stuff you can use for non-theme, if you understand, like this is truly, clearly a travel collection, but you can use this piece for non-travel, these little button pieces, clearly non-travel. The word explorer, I can put that on something going to the grocery store. I have an arrow here that I can use. The banners are great. I go everywhere with you. I mean, that can be for a ride in the car. So look at the cute little hand. Hello there. Another arrow. So it's one of those, oh, another arrow. So it's one of those things, like I've talked to you guys about that before. I try to use the super themey things if I'm doing like a travel layout. And then the other stuff I can use on other things. And I like that. Anywho, and if you like to do things in 3s, you can use these twice, which is super cool. Anywho, so Merity has designed a really great layout with this stuff. You get the instructions with this, and I think they're going to be about $15 after the Black Friday special. Now, if I'm wrong on anything, just go on the site. You'll be able to see what's what. I'll leave links to that down below. I just wanted to make sure that I highlighted this because I get super excited with new ideas. And I have seen a pic of the finished layout and my girl's talented. So you go check it out too. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Oh, and I know they made a bunch of kits, but their wall supplies last. That's what I really, really know. Okay, that's it. All right, bye friends.